The advertising machine has 3 playback modes. Send program via cloud platform. Send program via LEDART. Play programs via UDisc/SD card. Click 4 times in the upper right corner to enter the settings interface. If you don't have touch, you can use an external mouse. First, set the playback mode to network mode. You will need to fill in the account information you want to register. Next, demonstrate how to publish a program in network mode. Register your account. Log into your account. Connect the advertising machine to the internet and enter your account information. Here you can see your device information. First, upload the video you want to publish. Use your videos to create a show. Select the program you just created and publish it to your device. Select the standalone mode, and then demonstrate how to publish in standalone mode. Connect your phone and the advertising machine to the same Wi-Fi. You can now control your device. Create a new screen and select your device. Add the media source you want to play. Send to your device.